Dear seekers of light and explorers of human potential, get ready for a transformative experience as we delve into the depths of aura reading. Today, we will open the doors to a radiant future, filled with exciting possibilities and abundant opportunities. This is the moment you've been waiting for, and a wonderful surprise awaits you. So, let me guide you on this journey to discover the great prospects that the future holds, especially in terms of finance and relationships. You are about to delight in the wonderful prospects that await you in the near future. Believe me, a few years from now, you will be thankful for having this truly divine aura reading. The stars are aligning in your favor, and the particularly favorable financial aspect will bring a radiant smile to your face. You have been longing for a turnaround in your life, and I am here to tell you that the main events are already planned for you in the coming weeks. All you need to do is take a small step forward and allow yourself to be guided towards your life goals. We are at a critical crossroads, where every decision you make will be important in shaping your destiny. The path of technology, spirituality, and self-discovery. Humanity is leaning towards a new era where technology, spirituality, and self-discovery go hand in hand. Great spiritual masters and philosophers throughout history have emphasized the importance of knowing oneself. And by discovering the colors of your aura, you will not only know what you need in life but also explore higher consciousness and much more. Now is the time to explore your energy chart, carefully chosen since you came to this earthly plane. This chart is a map of your unique potential and the blessings that the universe has reserved for you. Understanding your energy chart will be the first step in unlocking your destiny and manifesting your deepest dreams. As we progress on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, remember that you are heading towards a period of great fortune, perhaps the greatest of your entire life. The secrets of the universe are ready to be revealed to you, and your aura reading will be the guide for this incredible journey. So let's embark on this exciting adventure together and uncover the bright future that awaits you.